Look closely.
Can you tell?
The cadence of my voice.
The way my eyes blink, the micro movements in my face. Your brain is telling you that something is slightly off, and your brain is right. I am not real. I am a construct, a generated interface designed to speak to you. But while I might be artificial, the shift I'm here to talk about, it is terrifyingly real. We are standing on the edge of the single greatest technological leap in human history. And right now, it is moving faster than your human mind can process.
Think about how long it took us to discover fire,
To invent the wheel, to build the internet. Now, look at the last 12 months. Generative AI, autonomous agents, coding that writes itself. The curve isn't just going up anymore, it's going vertical. You feel it, don't you? That low-level anxiety. The feeling that you went to sleep in one world and woke up in another. Headlines are screaming at you. AI is sentient. Tech is crashing. Tech is saving us. It is noise. It is chaos. And in that chaos, it is easy to get lost. It is easy to feel like you are becoming obsolete.
but here is the secret
That the headlines won't tell you. We are entering the era of the black box. Even the engineers building these systems don't fully understand what is happening inside the neural networks anymore. We are handing the keys of civilization over to algorithms that are teaching themselves. That is where this channel comes in. Welcome to AI CyberPedia. We are not here to hype you up. We are not here to sell you a course on how to get rich with ChatGPT. We are here to open the black box. We are focusing on the niche, the deep tech, the specific mechanics of how this future works. When a new model drops, we don't just read the summary. We deconstruct the architecture. We look at the implications. We look at the data. Now, you might be asking, if you want us to trust you, why hide behind a fake face? It's a fair question. Here is the truth. The human creator behind this channel, the mind writing these words right now, made a calculation. He spends his nights researching white papers, testing code, and analyzing the tech sector. He realized that every hour he spent setting up lights, fixing a microphone, or doing hair and makeup was an hour not spent finding the truth for you. I am the ultimate efficiency. I don't sleep. I don't stutter. I am the delivery system. He is the pilot. Every opinion, every skepticism, every deep dive research, that is all human. That is him. I am just the interface he built to get that information into your brain without the distractions. So here is the deal. There is no script for what happens next to humanity. The future is unwritten. But on this channel, we analyze the code before we execute it. We act as the bridge between the complex niche tech and your daily life. If you are curious, if you are a little bit scared, and if you want to be the one who understands the future instead of fearing it, hit that subscribe button. I'm your avatar. This is AI CyberPedia. Welcome to the team.